Anobena is a shut down Tiger Base, disband Tiger Base. For some of you who don't know, Tiger Base is the anti-kidnapping unit of the Imo State Police Command. Anoba shut down Tiger Base, man, in advance.
Hello my fellow Biafrans, I'm back again. But before I say anything concerning this particular video, I want to use this medium to thank each and every one of us that has been supporting me, sharing my video and also praying for our leader, Maaz Nnamdi Kanu. The reason why I bring this particular video here is for all the Biafrans, all the genuine Biafrans to just calm down and listen to this our brother that you are seeing right now on my screen, because he explained what is happening right now in Imo State, especially in Tiger Base. So just take on to your time and go through this particular video so that you understand what this man is trying to say. What is happening right now in Imo State is unbelievable and it is terrible. So watch this video. As they watch, do not forget to share so that the government of Imo State will know what to do, because it is getting out of hand. All our youth are dying every day by day because of these people, and nobody is talking about it. So share this video so that they can be able to do something. Thank you and God bless you. One love.
Anobena is a shut down Tiger Base, disband Tiger Base. For some of you who don't know, Tiger Base is the anti-kidnapping unit of the Imo State Police Command. Anoba shut down Tiger Base, man, in advance. Or some police officers in Fundam, some of them individually. Because I'm going to on imo now, and many of you. I'm going to dish among you. But I'm going to care because now government will elect for 7 being uniform. I believe on how when the power to kill a man. How could any here happen to get one dark or chaggy men? Give one dark or chaggy get hebu because he believe in them when he had a man. If one cry one jikin, the gang of Kutia Namri, he got Bukutia Noko. Ali Igbo chirona, Allah Nigeria chirona. Gaga jirajina. Many of you get G as a many of you joke around and one new. I'm not laying a curse on you. I'm telling you what is about to happen, what will happen. Ali Igbo will try to teach you and show you the pains many people have passed through in your hands as an individual, as a police officer. Many of you, name and honor potter, whom no, because you want to extort them. Give whom give me government, give it a go shimmy. And then go to shut down Tiger Base. Me personally, they should not shut down Tiger Base. Get Lancy. On na no man who on your or Wenga. Give transfer to Lagos. Out of Onyoshin and Lagos call. On your shame baptism with Onyoshi. Na change the uniform. Whereas now Onyoshi doesn't make me on your Onyoshi. I link him in the SAS. SAS said this band, we are then not reallocated or reposted into other units. Only men who go nuzo. Ngwego Kunishi. Me work book allegation. She weapon from unit to another unit. For me, I believe what Tiger business is serious monitoring and oversight. They lack oversight there. I get myself this band how much people show or Mugeria. After all, on Nonga Natashimania bedroom na comment to say talk shut down Tiger base, this one. Almost of you which are the kidnappers similar from Tiger base. Or say what the kidnappers and then want to kidnapping squad. On the town of whom no honest no Ghana kidnapping. Or for the kidnappers, I said, I want some hack to come in book. If you got Ashanya some short and Tiger Base, you should perform a Kakwaganya. Most of you which are kidnappers in Doshi. Tiger Base is flourishing today. Most of you now Patangwa with allegation on the boom none. Iba Alankate, gay petition. When I go with non command, when I go with Begbe, oh hot is simply because none na dollar. Case dinner one, you give brew. Brook, Shekri, Gangwa get deputation as you go on Yoshi. What can get deputation? Chicken and Kandamba that doesn't give a damn about you people. Hapatangwa, how is it to get Uncrankabahyashi? Give a get some shot on Tiger Base. I love the shot to quag down. On the beach shot on Tiger Base. Also, I wouldn't put a rally and the back again from Tiger Base. Man, does that mean that Tiger Base needs the reform? It needs reform. Elijah said, how will the prodigal sons of police, you must say police command, because most times, what they know quick hand. How did you let them go when one name work H? I cannot control the radio the whole unit, including Tiger Base. Has negative, how there? But when I confronted the police officer when Yoruba, he helped me. Bagadia, yeah, the guy in Modia, and I said, one. That's when now that guy at Tanyana Job now. Even Motia Park again, but they denied they didn't see him. Any oversight. In fact, that was a new police cell. Tiger Base gonna the ham and arrest so that the commissioner of police and his monitoring team will be aware of under the 10. A book who make caution to call actually Tiger Base so that should anything happen, they will be held accountable. You know, there are some short all of you, individually police officers. Many of you, many of you will die before Mona Bogana. Because most of you have ended the source of Ihoma to some families because of your greed, because of your intention to extort. For the Nimon, on a Sunanda, name maybe, I'm going to keep it be about no police. On Bagram Parafana, Lafaneku, Nanya Nakagu Bobana, ni Bobana, innocent blood, no Ganaka. And then the guy, you are not having peace. You're not having any peace. You hear that now. Oh, police officer. Back in the days, no son tactical team. Now, how do I name it? Gisha hook in her how bag away. But work see her game shoot, have fire. Even keep us in how work yourself, whatever children are chef. Not how under that weekend, not a weekend baby. Today, the man here. You know, Kurash, one is my baby buffer. Oh, you devastate. You have megan watch go on boom. On where you matter no police because I found you couldn't able and that na I found one dish. The man kuna lani or that ha ya we hear metre that party take get to us a police officer. Guardian the take get lanya. Go and look on the check history. Many people. So no drill on my him. Galele. Each and one peanut in with again. By me we get the man now he get jare. You got to I'm not laying cause on you, but to some of you, Mejigi Homa, I got run number. For some of you police officers, on a gag home, Ndi Ragada who's our one. On a con one the gang on you want the two bog nine. I phone call no one to get on. Yeah, I can class me to Kuron. I can't come on and ask me for telling can only last me Yadara little ton Nakachapon or Kanaka. You want to make no watch me agaje alone. Man, I'm gonna. Snow me woman a corona police, manani, and damn, I'm going to judge some of them. In here, get men, he can get man, no be a new. Or would the cow wouldn't have forgotten gone here, go here, get men. What them could out man, Tiger Base. Now, money change uniform, I would not change it. It needs monitoring, it needs oversight. So that at least a more accountability. Or when I'm going to have no. For don't on a comment, I'll worry. Or when you're not kind of some crab, oh, most of you been kidnapping in Limo State. On the channel mega government. Don't go watching Dumba, which and dish there. On a put on a allegation boom on. Wouldn't show her no. I let him out in this, even go with that action measure. Is your for Kabash Cornish.
Become dangerous in Nigeria can never reach Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Can never reach to the family of Bola Ahmed Tinubu. But look, the same Bola Ahmed Tinubu that is refusing for you, the militaries, to go and fight against the terrorists. The same Bola Ahmed Tinubu put you Nigerian militaries in a gate fighter to go and fight against your fellow African militaries in Benin Republic to stop them making coup. Look, Nigerian militaries, if you don't want us to be started calling you people as the problem of Africa, you the Nigerian militaries, you better start thinking to make a coup against Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Either you do the right thing or you put him down. If not, we are beginning to suspect you, the Nigerian militaries, as the boycotter of African liberation. I am not lying to you, not only me, but there are thousands out there who are started thinking the same way. The Nigerian militaries are the problem of Africa, and they are becoming more and more threat to African freedom. You better start doing something as Nigerian militaries, and even your lieutenant as your general, the Nigerian military general who came out and speak that nonsense, telling the terrorists that you can drop your weapons, you can become president in this country if you drop your weapons. That nonsense, don't utter it from your mouth again, because that's a rubbish. You as the army general, we expect you to come out and tell the terrorists that either they surrender or you finish them. That's what we expect from you as a military general. Not begging the terrorists to stop invading your peoples. You are a military general. You shouldn't show the weakling. The terrorists shouldn't see the weakling in your face, neither the word of weakling in your mouth. You should be so harsh on them. There is no peace between you as a military general, between you and the terrorists. There is no peace. If the terrorists are not ready for peace, then there will be no peace. You give them fire to fire, blood to blood, bumper to bumper. There should be no relent. No words to please a terrorist who is unlawful innocent citizens. Either they surrender or you finish them as a military general. That should be your word. Either they surrender, they put the weapons down, or you finish them. That's all. Because the terrorists, no matter how they become powerful, they can never be powerful than the militaries of the country. Never. It can never happen. It has never happened and it will never happen. The terrorists, no matter how they are powerful, no matter how they are many, they can never get power over the militaries of the country. It will be only government who, with their citizens, have been crying of terrorism in Nigeria. They couldn't use that get fighter to fight against the terrorists, but yesterday we have seen that they wake up a get fighter to go and fire in Benin Republic. But they couldn't use that same weapon, that same get fighter, to go and fire Boko Haram in the bush and burn all of them. The same way, if you see the way the get fighter that Nigerian government sent to Benin, if you see the way the get fighter is fighting, if they use the weapon, if they use that get fighter for the terrorists in Nigeria, I tell you, just 2 hours, I will give you, all the terrorists will be vanished. They will all turn to dust. But they will not do that. They are having that get fighter, allowing Nigerians to be dying one by one. Every day. Allowing Nigerians to be dying, to be kidnapped, to be paying ransoms. And they know where the terrorists stay and they all sit and watching the terrorists. The only thing they could do is to have chat with the terrorists, call the terrorists, and the terrorists will carry their big weapons with their motorbike and enter inside Nigeria, enter inside cities. What are they coming to do? They are coming to speak with the government, with their own weapons, with their uniforms. Yes, and the government will be sitting, that we are coming to have a dialogue with the terrorists. You can see the most useless government that we ever get in Africa is Nigerian government right now. It's the most useless government that I've ever seen. No matter how a government is useless, things like this, you don't bring it out like that. A government that will go and make a dialogue with the terrorists. A government that will call terrorists, come inside, come and speak with us. A government that is having get fighter, but they never use it for the terrorists. A government that was having a weapons attached to the get fighter, they never use it on the weapons, on the terrorists. Immediately they had, there is a coup in Benin Republic. The Nigerian government prepared that get fighter and sent it to Benin Republic to go and fire against the terrorists, the militaries who are trying to make a coup. You see the effort they used to destroy people.